Eba Obi Akwaba Eba GCDs. Hot news all time. Latest hot news. And I'm the Bremo. To say Ejebo Eja Enya Bidru Eye Dr. Muhammad Bawumia to say when he be running it. Now why not didn't be at here? Now answer the day and say me in a paper. Let's just say so we can subscribe to the channel. Let's just say over subscribe. We are be say over click the subscribe button. Now what the notification when sa video fufu be upload so when sa epic can be. I feel we are now like the video to give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer so now we have now one share. I feel young call a sibling. Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, running mate, England, running mate in a celebrity. I was a Busumi, a Guinea, one running mate. The no Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, Owusu, NAPO, Mathew, Opoku, Prempeh, to say on the running mate. Now, ETAs are reporting the fact chance in ETA reporting.
Nipa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Aboni din in fact numre and of finalize bibia. As a matter of fact, Nipa no enter parliament 2008.
Okay.
And we rap parliament.
Ade Dr. Bawumia swerving crop.
And sana we rap parliament in 2008 no. Na owo don't say Akufo time na ye castle. One Akufo na bo castle ah. And actually come omu we ba Akufo Jubilee House na ofra ban mu. Jubilee House we nwura ho da ho. Akufo former president his excellency. No, oti aban mu no. Raj oye adwuma kakra Jubilee House.
Ai.
Okay, all right. Ojo no nya sa call.
Ai.
Na ofri apejafie.
Okay.
All right, ofri apejafie. Or your medical doctor, or real school, our Prempeh College. Now, why education minister currently or no NAPO?
Why education minister paying? Then
Mama,
Yanko.
At Yanko, your best year catch your money and say. Nipa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and we are confirming it now. Tisebia. And you see, the likelihood say I didn't best son 1%. 1%. Now NPP, the new Patriotic Party, the ruling new Patriotic Party. This party was born in 1992. Osha party na bakosemo baby a party in Efriba. UP.
Anthem de na okay. Lumba de na.
Omo anthem bi ho. Omo anthem bi ho. NPP anthem. Yes. Yes. Right. Ode bona memfa omo eneze omo bre na eduru so.
Ema mini wa ha. Jise mba ha so abi.
O come about to food na ewom. Na party we omo wo party no. Ohwe party na bakosema if UP mu. Party has seen a lot. So they are here. What they say history the better answer. Name no. If you are a member of the ruling New Patriotic Party, if you are a member of the ruling New Patriotic Party, 2024, my running mates, Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh.
Okay,
that is it. That is the confirmed. That is the breaking. Confirmed. That is the breaking news. Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh has been named as the running mates.
In fact, Utie, my memfa we ntoso enie. De atienie. Nyame adomo ochina. 87.9. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebehia MPs a omoye NPP MPs.
Yes.
Na ohia omo a or the better woman him say, this is Nipa.
Where you know.
Yeah. As the running mate.
Yes.
So far, Obia or matter in this discussion.
Yakache. Yeah.
Now, Obesia the majority caucus.
Yeah.
And they are two women him say.
Not that they don't know.
Oh, yes. About 100% of the MPs in him.
Yes.
Ebia Ebeka say omu due mate.
Penny due mate.
Yes, name officially no. You have a bo dina chremo say Asmesi and now Benting and you didn't call 2024 as the running mate. Now Evans,
yes,
who's here?
Mathew.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be rural central region.
Yes.
Enche.
Uraha, we see
the announcement will be made officially in the region.
In the region. Na adeba akono on person me adimani very iconic.
Akuma 87.9 Kumasi.
Either say oni Mathew Opoku Prempeh nyina na beba abelandi wo Kumasi
Evans
International Airport.
Evans Uti.
Yes.
Uti.
Mathew.
Uti.
Mathew.
Eni. Mami Fantoma. Eni.
Fatuga.
Eni.
Fatuga.
Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh.
Yes.
Ebe Rural Central region after the announcement.
After the announcement. Oh, okay.
Now the arrangement is that for security, but the arrangement is that
yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beba. The announcement will be made. Then NAPO will also enter the region. Now as we speak, Nipa Kwaku Annan, Nipa about 5,000 and they be called.
Kumasi International. No. Seriously. Sir Ajimai Prempeh the first. Sir Ajimai Prempeh the first international airport. Sir Ajimai Prempeh the first international airport. Afitu aso.
Inti, this will be, I mean, unusual entry into the region. Unusual because it will be unusual. Ordinarily, Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh for Asante into Uraha. I mean, yeah, man, a kwaba bio say na. Well, I say first time Uraha near more, and our two kwabi near man a kwaba. But there will be a triumphant entry into the region.
Okay, and Sir John, this is the first time one NPP, AU running mate, onye an economist, and I say, yeah, only that business background, no. So they are say, but when we be there, don't worry. We say, "Emre baby we him. It's history ni there. Any record ni there. Be na beden. It be go.
Okay.
It be na beden. It be go. Sir John, that is the breaking news.
So why? Okay.
That is the breaking news.
Say
man for atia, but no mutimi confirm.
No. I see.
That is the breaking news.
Okay, inti Evans unkofo mu twabo wa.
Oh sir. Dey man for be
Evans. Francis Ben is Evans. At the last when you agye about this running.
Oh no.
Was it also mo ni gine say for price kosro. Oh no. I say ba from ya nyabotre we are yin na no abom. Lawrence Branches say I'll say okay, napku for asem no come ha. Nana J Kwabena say adewi $20 rate so ana. I'm just a discussion you will start later on. Ken Ofori say the anthem is yet Tisikazo as we come here. Baronski assistant was said John, you did test. You can't say me
Sir John.
Akuma FM.
Yes. Assembly in the same.
Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh.
And there's that question. Say, why NAPO? Frank Obina Bisasa, why NAPO? I am sure say we'll find time and deal with that.
Because and no kind of main topic.
Yes. We wanted you to have it. Yes. Joanna Okan, I'll say we are waiting for a change Ghana. Okay. Joanna had us say, all right. So Evans.
Sir John.
That is that.
If you understand,
Kwati me to catch. Kwati Christian. Also, she free man son kwanta. This na breaking news no way ya. Still na no onhui. One day. Say breaking news na ba.
Sir John, one first that is send.
I say onyina was our biggest.
No kwasem ni say Sir John ni bi. No kwasem ni say fuel ampa ene yatum.
Obi ama message ni bi on. Obi a send fuel price amount.
Send fuel price.
Obeton kan ne kakan kapa.
And then Sir John mawu.
Obeton kakan kapa.
Sorry,
Catch your boy Frankie. I was a kring kwa. Kring kwa.
Fu no miss me tell you.
Massa. Evans, me come to the fu no kosoro.
Me na nothing me hear me gauge o. No, as my brother.
Yo, it's for Wiri and some about it to the breaking news out to them say, Dr. Mahama Bawumia, the running meter, say what power, Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh, and also and I wanted it up to them. But I was a decision so and I will hear no. So when you subscribe, yeah, message say over subscribe, I like it. Now I was a video, I'm also first so in your bigger work. Also, get me as a wedding after a year and so we can home, I will comment boxing. Boakye interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.